If you have exchanged business cards with someone, that is not the end. In this part of the lesson, you'll learn how to create a good network based on the contacts you've made. Have you ever been to a networking event with professionals and not known what to do? Here are some tips. A good way to start is to find something that you have in common with the person you are talking to. Listen to these conversations again.
Here you go.
Oh, your office isn't too far from us.
Perfect. So where are you from?
Seattle.
Seattle. I'm going there on business next month.
Look at these business cards. Think of an example of what you could say that shows you have something in common. Then listen. Did you have something similar?
So you're based in Seattle? I was a student there.
So you're a software engineer? My sister's a software engineer too.
EcoSoft? I have a good friend who works there.
Networking is also about creating a network where people help each other. If you can help someone solve a problem, you will be an asset to that person. Ask yourself these questions. What can I offer a contact? What are my strengths? How can a new contact help me? What issues, problems am I facing? If someone can help you solve a problem, they will become an asset to you. A good networker is someone who listens well. This will help you find out what you have in common with or how you might be able to help the other person. If you receive a business card from someone, write down something interesting about the person or the topic of conversation on the back of the card. This will help you remember details if you decide to follow up with the person later. A good network means that you can connect with other people. Think about how you can make connections between your contacts. For example, if you know someone who can help solve someone else's problem, you become an asset to both people. If you follow up with someone you've met, even if it's just a quick email, it will strengthen the connection that you've made. Let's listen to this conversation. Notice how speaker A shows good networking skills.
So how's business going?
Great. We're even thinking of expanding into California.
Really? Listen, I know someone who has a lot of experience in retail in San Francisco. She might be able to give you some tips.
Oh, that would be very helpful.
Well, do you have a card?
Sure.
Then if it's okay, I can pass on your contact details to her.
Definitely. I appreciate it. Here you are.
Thanks, and here's mine.
Can you remember what words are missing in these expressions?